Guys, so our today's topic is the law of conservation of energy. So we will understand it by simply taking an example of a simple pendulum who having the three positions, just say A, B and C. So at point A, kinetic energy will be 0. Energy will be 0 because uh, because at extreme positions Bob is at rest. So our potential energy will be mgh. Okay, understood? Why is it? Okay, so total energy at A would be kinetic energy plus potential energy. So kinetic energy plus potential energy. So our kinetic energy is 0, but our potential energy is mgh, right? So our total energy would be mgh, right? So at point B, right, kinetic energy will be half mv square and potential energy would be 0 because the height is absent here. Now from the third equation of motion, we get that v square equals to u square plus 2gh. So we would do nothing, just we will put the value of v square as 2gh, right? So our total energy, we will continue to find the kinetic energy. So it's half mv square, so it would be half into m into 2gh, right? So we will just cancel here from 2 and this 2. Okay, so the thing that we got is mgh, and that's kinetic energy, right? So its kinetic energy would be mgh. Okay, so let's move on to the next topic. We will clear this board because this is a smaller one. Okay, so there would be some problems, but if you get connected to our channel, so total energy at B would be kinetic energy plus potential energy, right? So our kinetic energy is mgh and our potential energy is 0. So our total energy will become mgh. Okay, and we can see that the total energy at A is equal to the total energy at B. So let's move on to the third topic, at C, right? So our kinetic energy would be 0, as same in the as you have seen in the first first example. So our potential energy would be mgh, as you all guys know that potential energy is equals to mgh when height is given. So our total energy would be potential energy plus kinetic energy, right? So here we got potential energy equals to mgh, and our kinetic energy is 0. So the total energy that we got is mgh. And so the thing that we learned from this situation is that the total energy remains the same at any topic, at any point, right? So that's how the law of conservation of energy is derived. So guys, if you like this video, then please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.